Hello, lovely Love and Stitches Club members. So I'm here showing you the Àlamain, the pleat top by Àlamain. So here we are, the pleat top from Àlamain. They've got these gorgeous little pleats here, a little side split here, asymmetric hem, and just easy to wear, easy to do. It's a nice quick make, a good kind of palette cleanser one if you've had something tricky to do and you just want something nice and easy. In this lightweight cotton that I've made it in, it just came together so beautifully. I really like the way the pattern was drafted, nice details, you've got these little mitered bits on the hems. So yeah, I look forward to seeing all your versions in the Love and Stitches Club soon.